How to recover a deleted draft on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have deleted a draft video on TikTok, recovering it may not always be possible unless it's backed up. So, first of all, make sure to check for your device gallery. Open the Photos or Gallery app, look for the TikTok folder, and check the recently deleted or trash folder. Many drafts may be automatically saved to your Photos or Gallery application. If this is not the solution for you, you can head over to check the TikTok cache. In order to do so, head over to File Manager and go to your internal storage. This way, you can go to the Android folder, go to Data or Cache, and search for android.ugc.trill.go. Hereby, you will see the video section. Head over to it and look for any saved drafts and try to restore them from this page. Likewise, if your phone is backed up using the Google Photos, iCloud, or OneDrive, you can check for the deleted drafts there as well. However, if none of the above works, you will have to report to the TikTok support. For this, head over to TikTok settings, then go to Report a Problem. Head over to Draft Issue and explain your situation. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.